Assalamu alaikum, Mustain Asad here, and with me I have got my father, and today we are making some demo videos. As you know that in IELTS part 1 you are asked a number of different questions and there are on different topics, so we are going to make some videos, and the answers that Daddy will give, they are the type of answers which are to be considered as the ideal answers and will get you a great band score. So shall we start?
Yes, why not? Absolutely.
Alright, how often do you look at yourself in the mirror?
Okay, that's an interesting question. I usually look at myself in the mirror in the morning, and then I am intimidated as well. But anyways, first in the morning when I brush my teeth and when I shave and all that. On the other hand, when I get ready, then I stand in front of the dressing table. So these are two occasions when I see myself in the mirror.
Do you think mirrors are important?
I think mirrors are very important because they are the true reflection of what you are, the way you look like, right? So whenever you look into the mirror will never lie to you. The mirror will show you your real picture. That is why I think it is crucial to have a mirror in every house.
Do you think mirrors are a good gift?
Absolutely, mirrors can be a fantastic gift if there is a beautiful decoration piece along with the mirror, or if there is a decoration piece with some mirrors embedded into it. That can be a wonderful gift, and on certain occasions people usually exchange gifts where at least mirror is the part of that gift.
Can mirrors be used to decorate your home?
Yes, absolutely. In the past, Mughals, they used mirrors to decorate their palaces and their all the forts and all that. And even today, if you go to any good hotel, you will see they have mirrors, and they have set mirrors in a certain way that it looks spacious and all that. So I think mirrors can be the important part of decoration.
That's great. That's the end of your speaking part 1.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. So kind of you. So guys, we are making these short videos because we know you guys are busy. So this is going to be a good addition to your English as well. All the best. I teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Mustain Asad
and Asad Yaqub.
We wish you best of luck. Take care.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.